55 Pontiac, two-door post. Picked it up about 5 years ago, I guess, from a good friend, Rick. Maybe we'll introduce him one of these days, but it came from his father's place in Neepawa. When we dug it out of the garage there, it had literally about 2 inches of dust on it. So we drug it home, and I started redoing everything. Redid all the front suspension, everything's new in it. The motor that we put in it was a 327 out of one of our other vehicles. It made around 450, I think, on the dyno. Big cam, good set of heads, all that good stuff. 750 Proform carburetor. Dual point distributor, Mallory. Pretty neat old coil of Mallory, all the neat old stuff. Fender wall headers I got from a buddy. Horse traded some headers for these. It's just a neat old motor, or I should say engine. Inside, it's got a Muncie 4-speed M22, because banging gears are fun. You gotta love that old purple shag carpet. I would like to replace it and actually put something similar back into it. Keep it the way it was. Like I said, this vehicle was originally red with a white and black hood, and I'm gonna try to paint it, have it similar to what it looked like. Taillights are from a 1959 Pontiac, I do believe. I thought that was pretty cool, whoever did that from back in the day, and they also radiused the wheel wells, so I thought it was pretty cool. The steering wheel is from a 58 Pontiac, 58 Chevy Impala. It's a pretty cool piece. Wanted a tack in it, so I had one of our old Lyco tacks, so we installed that, so at least know what we're doing here. It's kind of cool seeing it buzz up to 55 most of the times. And like I said, the car, it was at I guess one of the last shows was 1968. It's pretty cool seeing them still stuck on the dash. We'll always leave those there. It's a pretty cool piece. But yeah, you gotta love that that carpet's pretty cool. Like I said, I'm not sure what these seats are out of. I'll have to ask Rick, but they're in pretty good shape and they'll always stay in here. So I would like to redo the interior. His mother actually did it, so I'd like to talk to another upholstery guy, or maybe we'll try to attempt to do it, but make the door panels the way they were. It's just the mice got to them over the years and pretty much destroyed them. Like I said, my original intention wasn't to paint this thing gray primer. It was just we kicked it out because we're working on my brother's Mustang, and I just didn't want it to get any worse than it was and rust, so I just quickly shot it in gray primer. But it's just a fun old car. It's a blast to drive. Sure gets a lot of attention, especially when you uncork the headers. It's pretty loud. Not much of an exhaust system, but I love it. It's cool. Here's the hood. There's actually a neat old little scoop that I had in my grandma's basement. I forgot all about it, but I think it's from J.C. Penney or Whitney. But pretty neat piece, so just kind of put it on there. I figure it kind of suits the car. But yeah, I just finished changing all the fluids in this old turd and all that good stuff and getting it ready for the summer. So maybe we'll fire it up and we'll go for a ride here soon. This is what it looks like with the hood on. I'm not really a fan of the front tires, but it's all I got right now. I'd like to get the skinnier ones up front. And I kind of miss running my slicks in the back, but can't really run them on the street all the time. But I forgot to mention that I just run my fuel cell in the back here. And just with a Holly blue fuel pump and regulator. So like I said, it's just a fun old car. We'll go for a drive right now. Enjoy.
like and subscribe. And now we're going for ice cream.
Good man.